Hi viewers, today we will look inside this USB Type-C adapter which has a display that can show voltage and watt. This is a power delivery type adapter. So let me connect to my power bank. So this power bank can send a 15 watts to my Samsung mobile. So let's see. So this adapter can support max of 140 watts, as you can see. So as you can see, it's sending out 15 watts and 9 volts. So this is the voltage and watt that this power bank can send out to my mobile. So as you can see, Samsung mobiles are like adaptive fast charge protocols, and this is a power delivery. So let's look inside this adapter, what electronics inside in it. So right away we can see on the top side we have a display unit. That's it, nothing else, with a segment type display. So segment type display with power PD and voltage and watt, just the display unit itself, nothing else. So let's see on the back side normal electronic stuff. So and we have an IC over here, so not sure it's a e-marker IC or not. So generally e-marker ICs will be inside like a cables, like which inside that cables, Type-C cables. So but this is an adapter, no, so not sure it's an e-marker IC or not. As you know that e-marker IC will communicate between the host device and the power source. So let's connect again to my power bank and see the display without the outer case. General Type-C cables with 5 amps will have an e-marker IC built inside the cable. On all remaining cases, the power source and the host device will communicate internally with their own corresponding chips. So whatever the amount and the power and watt they require. So as you can see, same 15 watts. Without that outer case, we are getting like that blinking glare effect. So so this is the IC. Not sure if it's an e-marker or not. So e-marker will communicate with the device. So it will check for the protocol, power parameters, voltage parameters. So in this case, this mobile is talking with this power bank, how much wattage power it needs and what protocol it's using. So in between we have this adapter. So is this chip just reading out the voltage or wattage, or just it's doing any communication? Not sure. If anyone knows, leave a comment.